Today the Critter's Whimsy Tale presents the story, Guardians of Eldoria. In the heart of the ancient forest of Eldoria, where the trees whisper secrets of old and streams sing songs of serenity, dwell the elves of the Silverwood. These elves, led by the noble Elenor, are the guardians of the forest, tasked with protecting its delicate balance. But a dark shadow loomed over Eldoria. Maldrake, a malevolent sorcerer, sought to drain the forest of its magic. Sensing the threat of Maldrake, Elenor called upon the Council of Elders. Together, they devised a plan to protect their home. The elves prepared for battle, forging enchanted weapons and calling upon the spirits of the forest for aid. The battle for Eldoria begins. As Maldrake's minions advanced, the forest coming alive, trees and roots attacking Maldrake's minions. The elves, united and determined, defended their home. Elenor faced Maldrake in a climactic duel, the fate of Eldoria hanging in the balance. With a final burst of blinding light, Elenor banished Maldrake, and the forest began to heal. The elves worked tirelessly to restore the balance and nurture the land. From that day forward, the Silverwood Elves were known as the eternal guardians of Eldoria, their legend spreading far and wide. And so, the ancient forest of Eldoria thrived, a sanctuary of magic and peace, forever watched over by its elven protectors. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more magical tales.